How to fix Gmail Session expired. In this video guys, we will talk about the great and the easiest way how to fix this problem on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first, and you have to open the settings of your device or your phone. Here you have to search for apps option. As you see here, you have to click here. You will find all the applications that you have already on your phone. You have to search only for Gmail. When you found Gmail, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here, what's next? You have to go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. Also click on clear cache and then go back, click on the last button in the bottom of the screen for stop. As you see here, click OK. And now you have to go install Allow apps. Click on it and you have to disallow this option, allow from this source. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.